Well, you know what they say, when you start finding tampon applicators, you're fucking bound to catch fish.
White light.
Man, plentiful. Somebody was just really needing to load up. There's 2 of them here.
There you go.
Excessive tampon applicators on the shoreline, if you ask me, but I'm not an expert in that area. Seems like a lot. Any more than 1 at any given fishing location is 1 too many. I got one rule when my wife's fishing with me: no changing your fucking tampons while you're fishing. Quite the fucking conundrum I got going on here. Well, since this one's